Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I will describe a wife for you and tell me what do you think of this wife. There was a wife. She said to her husband, I'm going to my parents' house. The husband said, all right, my love, may Allah be with you and give my greeting and salam to your parents. Then the wife said, of course, you couldn't wait. You just want to get rid of me. The husband was so confused. He's going in his head, did I say anything wrong? Another day, the wife said, I'm going to my parents' house. The husband replied, this time he gave a different answer. He said, how about staying with me today and going another day? The wife said, oh, so now you just want to lock me up in the house, huh? You don't want me to go anywhere. The husband was so confused because he tried a different answer this time and the wife is still not happy. On a different day, the wife said, I'm going to my parents' house. Now the husband has to be careful because he doesn't want to make the same mistake he did before, and he really has to pay attention to what he says. So the husband said, all right, my love, whatever makes you comfortable, go ahead and do it. The wife said, oh, okay, you don't care about me, huh? Whether I stay or I go, you don't care. It's all the same to you. The husband was so confused. He tried so many different answers each day, and the wife is never happy with the husband's answer. Another day, again, and the wife said to the husband, I'm going to my parents' house. The husband said, how about if I come with you? The wife replied, I'm going to my parents' house so I can see your face over there? You're not gonna give me any space? The husband was so confused. He didn't know what to think. He was shocked. For so many different days, he has given the wife different answers just to make her happy. And whatever answer he gives her, the wife was never happy. Now, what do you think about this wife? Did she do the right thing? And do you know anybody who is a wife like this?